Hello everyone, it's Robert Evans and we are back with another Sony Camera Menu quick tip. And so today we are going to talk about the delete confirm button. So this is a pretty basic thing and everybody could figure this out, but I just thought I'd do something. We're going to do quick tips on a lot of the different things in the camera menus. So let's look at this one. So your menus will open up like this. It's on camera 1. I want you to use your wheel and touch the wheel to the right and toggle all the way over to the toolbox. And in the very first screen, 1 out of 7 in the toolbox, we're going to go down here to the bottom and it says delete confirm as soon as I can get there. And then when you push that, it basically gives you two options. You can have delete first or cancel first. So I have mine on cancel first, and let's jump out of here. And so I just have a black screen, but when you push play or you push to view an image, and then you hit the trash can icon, it says delete. So deletes first, and then if I hit delete, it deleted the image. So the only way, if you wanted cancel first, just in case you don't want to by mistake hit delete first. So that's the difference between the two. You can set it up how you like. So I hope that was helpful. This is Robert Evans, and I am your host of The Pixel Show. And come back and see more of our camera menu quick tips.